What's up, madlang people? Dito po ako sa Palimbang. Shout out kay Kapina Albani sa vlog niya. Please like and share at saka click the notification bell. And huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe.
Salamat sir! Good afternoon po! Ayan po.
What's up, madlang people? Dito po ako sa Palimbang. I'm from Zamboanga City, sa Recoda Banda. It's my first time to come here in Palimbang. And then, may inayos lang ako na client namin. The same time, safe and sound lang po dito yung yung place. Come and join us and let me na punta kayo dito. Madaming mga tourist spot dito at saka mga kagandang beaches.
my God.
Yun lang po and God bless.
Thank you.
Wow! Wow! Oh my God.
Wow.